Good morning. My name is Sohel. Today my topic is on Foley phase wound rotors. Applications of Foley phase rotor induction motor. Wound motors are suitable for loading requiring high starting force, and whereas lower starting current is required, the wound rotor induction motor are used for loads having higher inertia, which results in higher energy losses. How does wound rotor work? A wound rotor, also known as slip ring motor, is a type of induction motor where the motor windings are connected to the slip rings to the external resistance. When the motor reaches the full speed, the rotor force poles are switched to the short circuit during the startup of resistors. Advantages of wound rotor: excellent starting torque for high inertia loads, low starting current compared to squirrel cage induction motors. Speed is a resistance of over 50% to 100% full speed. Higher maintenance of brushes and slip ring compared to squirrel cage motor. A wound motor, also known as slip ring motor, rotor motor. It is a type of induction motor where the rotor windings are connected to the slip ring to the external resistance. Adjusting the resistance allow to the current or characteristics of the motor. Wound rotors can be started with increased current by inserting high resistance into the rotor current. Compared to squirrel cage motor, the rotor of the slip ring current has more turnings in the higher and the lower than the squirrel cage motor. During the startup, a typical rotor has three poles connected to the slip ring. Each pole is wired in series with a variable power resistor. When during the motor reaches the full speed, the rotor poles are switched to short circuit. The speed of torque characteristics are wound are adjusted by changing the external resistance. Unlike a squirrel cage motor which has fixed characteristics, this is useful for speed control of the motor. A wound rotor can be used in several forms of adjustable speed drive. Commonly, application include in the hostage on certain types of variable speed slips are currently external power to rotor circuit, allowing the wide range speed control. Today, the speed of split ring motor or rotor is mostly by the indicate motor. How do we test a wound rotor motor? To test the rotor from a ground, connect one ohm meter leads to shaft and connect to other lead in another ring. Ohm meter should be shown community between the like the shutters winding. The router is difficult for testing for short winding. Thank you.